Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to schedule disk defragmentation in Windows 11. Defragmenting is the processing of organizing and consolidating files and data on the system's drive to improve performance. Fragmented or scattered data creates access problems since it provides an inefficient way to access the data across the disk. Go to taskbar search. Type Defragment and Optimize drives. Click on it to open. A new window will appear. Go to Scheduled Optimization. Click on Turn On. A new window will open. Check Run on a Schedule option. Go to Frequency. Choose the time frame from the drop-down list, daily, weekly, or monthly. Go to Drives and click on Choose. Check the drive that you need. If you want, you can check Automatically Optimize New Drives option. If you don't need this option, you can uncheck it. Click OK. Defragmenting your system drive may take a while, especially if the drive is large and has lots of data on it. You should schedule a time, preferably overnight when no one is using the computer. The best way to handle this is to schedule a daily or weekly run instead of manually running it when needed. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!